Hey everyone, so today we are gonna crush everyone's favorite Iron Man. So let's go. I apologize if any of you cry. Uh-oh. He's already losing it. Oh my god. Sorry about that. I never thought he'd go this way. Wow. Sorry, Iron Man. You're not iron after all. Sorry, Tony. Sorry, Robert Downey Jr. Sorry, Marvel. Your hero has succumbed to MisterCrush. Look at that. Got his arms. He still has his head. Made where? Where was this made? I don't know. Alright, let's do some more. How about we go for the head, shall we? Ugh. He has a hard head. It's like a waffle head now. I am Iron Waffle. Now we'll do his legs. Which way should we put him? How about right at the knees? This is gonna hurt. There he is. Okay, folks, we're gonna save him, and maybe we'll hold on to him, and when I start doing contests, which is why you gotta share and like this video, when we start doing contests, we will give him away to somebody. What do you think? Thanks for watching.